Hi, do you know where the bread is?
Yes, it's in aisle 3.
Thank you. And where can I find milk?
It's in the fridge section, near the eggs.
Great. I also need some apples.
You'll find them at the front of the store.
Thanks. Do you work here?
No, I just shop here often.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. Good luck with your shopping.
Hello, can I see the menu, please?
Sure, here you are.
What's the soup of the day?
It's tomato soup.
Sounds good. I'll have that.
Anything to drink?
Just a glass of water, please.
Is that all?
Yes, thank you.
Your order will be ready in a few minutes.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. What about you?
I really like pasta, especially with cheese.
Oh, that's tasty too.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, but I often order food.
I like cooking. It's fun.
I wish I had more time.
You can try cooking on weekends.
Good idea.
I'd like a burger and fries.
What kind of burger?
A chicken burger, please?
Would you like a drink with that?
Yes, a small cola.
Anything else?
No, that's all.
Eat here or take away.
Take away, please.
That'll be $6.50.
I'm hungry. Let's make dinner.
What should we cook?
How about spaghetti?
Good idea. Do we have pasta?
Yes, and tomato sauce.
Do we need anything else?
Maybe some cheese on top.
Great. I'll cook the pasta.
I'll make the sauce.
Teamwork. What do you eat for breakfast?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
I like cereal with milk.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I prefer tea.
I need coffee to wake up.
Oh, I understand.
Do you eat fruit in the morning?
Sometimes a banana or an apple.
That's healthy.
This restaurant looks nice.
Yes, let's try it.
I think I'll have the chicken salad.
I want the grilled fish.
Do you want to share dessert?
Sure, let's get a chocolate cake.
Perfect. Are you thirsty?
Yes, I'll have orange juice.
I'll take some water.
Let's order.
How much are these bananas?
$1.20 per kilo.
I'll take 2 kilos, please.
Anything else?
Yes, some oranges.
Sweet or sour?
Sweet, please.
That's $5 in total.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.